In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to build an emotional relationship to turn any woman on. A woman's mind is so different and confusing. A man should know how to understand her properly. Every woman is quite different from another. Women often do not chase men. It's completely our responsibility to make that happen, and it looks more masculine and attractive to women. So here are the ways in which men can build an emotional relationship with women. In order to make a woman want you, men have to build an emotional connection. The major turn off for women is being too available. You give her time when you are busy. You pick up all her calls and you buy all the stuff she wants. This is one of the reasons to kill attraction. A woman always wants a man who has integrity and follows his rules. He gets what he wants without being over-possessive. In order to build an emotional connection, you need to understand when to be available and when to back off. If you know how to do this, you can have almost any woman make you emotionally connected with you. If you haven't subscribed yet, do click the subscribe button below. So let's get started. Number 1. Reciprocating. This is a very good sign that she is getting into you. Just start taking it slow, make small flirty talk and flirty gestures. If the opposite sex starts reciprocating to you, then it's a very good sign. This doesn't mean she is ready for some bed stuff. It's a start of an emotional connection with her. When you start taking it slow and you slowly increase the intensity, after she gets back home, she is going to constantly think about you. This is the power of flirting in a right way. You have got her sexually attracted to you and you are constantly in her thoughts. This thing works like crazy even when you are not around her. Number 2. It's time for her to ask questions. Next comes the biggest confusing part for men. Most men do it completely wrong by only just flirting or talking too much. But an emotional connection is just made when a woman gets to ask you questions emotionally. It's completely a man's responsibility to make her feel free to ask questions to get her interested in you. You should pay close attention while she speaks with you and should answer properly when she asks something. Only then an emotional relationship is gonna be built in between both of you. So that's it for today's video, guys. With that being said, thank you for watching.